Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to easily get the reply option on Instagram messages, so let's jump right into it. First, go ahead and open Instagram and then tap on the chats icon in the top right corner and then pick a chat from there. Now within that chat you'll find messages. To reply to a message, go ahead and tap and hold on it and you'll get the reply option right here. Now if you don't have it, just follow up with me and we'll see how to fix your problem. First, go to your Play Store and then make sure you have your Instagram app updated. If it is updated, go back to your Instagram application, tap on the profile picture in the bottom right, tap on the three lines in the top right corner and then go to your settings. From here, scroll down until you find account type and tools, tap on it. From here, go ahead and switch to a professional account and you should get the reply option back. And that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one and see you in the next one.